Hey guys, it's deal day, where one time a week we're going to analyze a new property in a new market to see if it makes sense as an investment property. We do this because we want to stress the importance of repetition when it comes to analyzing properties, as well as staying on top of your market. So we're going to look at this week, the address 2503 Francis Street in Baltimore, Maryland 21217. It's listed for $59,900. And after I'm looking at the pictures, it's got some cute pictures and it does need some work. So the rehab budget I would think would be somewhere around $45,000. Zillow says it would rent for around $16.94, which I tend to agree with. Comps in the area are selling for somewhere around $150, $160. So we'll go with the lower end. So when you look at our analyzer, what sticks out to me is great cash flow, great return on investment, nice equity spread, as well as extremely low taxes for some reason. So all in all, I think this is an awesome deal. I give it a thumbs up. If you have a particular property you want analyzed, definitely let us know, or a market you want analyzed, let us know. Could be your property next. See you guys.